MTD CNC have been invited to Ward High Tech today in Sheffield. Now I'm standing on the bed of a Vision Wide double column machining centre which has just landed here in Sheffield at Ward High Tech. Now they picked up this distributorship just a matter of months ago, and in fact during that time they've already sold one machine in the UK which has 5 metres in the x-axis and 4 metres in the y. Now this is a slightly smaller version, and in fact it's at the lower end of what Vision Wide offer, so they go much bigger than this machine. The purpose of coming here today was to see the machine just as it pretty much hit the deck, so we were able to see the machine in its kind of packaged or shipping condition. So I can actually see here the guideways on the machine which operate on both the X and the Y axis, and here you can see that this is actually a box guideway on the Z. So for your point of contact for your cutting, it's a very heavy duty and rugged double column machine. And when we look at the headstock on this machine, we've actually got 3 roller guides here, 1 at the bottom and 2 at the top to give you extra support during your machining operation. This is a BBT 50 machine, 6,000 RPM, a 3-axis machine, but don't forget the Vision Wide range is available as a full 5-axis configuration. Now it also has a 2-step gearbox and a whopping 26 kilowatts of torque here for heavy duty machining. Now coming with the machine, if you're looking at swarf extraction, we've got augers either side, one at the one in front of me and one at the rear. The tool changer is at the back of the machine, and the actual storage capacity on this model is 40 tools. And over the course of the next few days, this machine is going to be guarded up. It will have power to it, so you'll be able to come here to Sheffield to see the machine in action. And as always at Ward High Tech, the machine is available on flexible finance terms. So not only will you get a great deal on a great machine, but you can also have that assurance and flexibility of getting the best payment terms possible. That's it from me here on this bed, on this Vision Wide machine here at Ward High Tech in Sheffield, where you can come and see this machine for yourself.